Well, in fact, one of the scholars of Hadith, Ibn Maeen, Yahya ibn Maeen, one time he sat with a student of a scholar of Kufa. His name is Hamad ibn Salama, and he said, "I have the books of Hamad bin Salama. I want to read them to you." And he's one of the students of Hamad bin Salama. He said, "I have these books, the Hadith of Hamad. I want to read them to you." So that student asked him, "Have you read them to any of the other students of Hamad bin Salama?" He said, "Yes." But he said, let's say he said, "I've read it to 17 other students." So he asked him, "Why do you want to read to me now?" He said, "Because Hamad bin Salama used to make some mistakes, and I want to distinguish between the mistakes of Hamad bin Salama and the mistakes of his students." So in other words, there's some hadith that he studied and collected from other scholars other than Hamad bin Salama, and he knows that some narrations are coming from Hamad bin Salama which are wrong. So he reads all these hadiths to 18 of Hamad bin Salama's students who were together at the same reading. As I told you last time, many times they used to mark, who was present at that reading, when did he make this reading to the sheikh, and who else was present, and so forth. So he takes all 18 of those students. If they all agree on the same mistake, then he knows that the source of that mistake was Hamad bin Salama. But if he finds that one of them is narrating it incorrectly and the others are narrating it correctly or the same way, he knows that that mistake is not from Hamad bin Salama, but it's from that particular student. And that kind of thing they used to do in order to spot, to make sure that there's no hidden defects that has been passed on.